A lot of people these days seem to have trouble shopping, and these problems fit into three categories: price, place, and personality. Let's get one thing straight. Cashiers don't make or change prices unless you do rollbacks at Walmart. Please check the price before you buy something, because I'm pretty sure neither you or the cashier wants to have that awkward argument. On to the second problem. Place. Do you really think I want to take your card and then line up and put it in this place? And there's a proper place to take $7 checks. And it's not a grocery store. Do you really want 17-year-olds who is in a rush cashing your check? I don't think so. And what are you doing with all that cash? Bill Gates doesn't need that much cash. On to the last problem. Personality. Treat people how you want to be treated, because what goes around will come around. So let's all just give cashiers a break.